Hey! Before we dive in, click the link in the description to get your first month free on Manychat and start automating your business like a pro today. If you're looking for the best way to grow your business with chat automation in 2025, then Manychat is your go-to tool. From Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, and even WhatsApp, Manychat lets you automate conversations, capture leads, and boost conversions 24/7, no coding needed. And here's what's hot right now. Businesses using AI-powered chat flows on Manychat are seeing up to 300% more engagement on Instagram. The new comment-to-message feature is skyrocketing in popularity. Just drop a keyword on a post, and boom, the bot sends a DM. Manychat now integrates seamlessly with Shopify, Google Sheets, and Zapier, making your funnel totally automated from lead to sale. So, whether you're a coach, content creator, or e-commerce brand, this is your chance to scale faster using smart automation that feels personal. Liked what you saw? Hit the like button. Subscribe for more smart tools like this. Drop your questions in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with a fellow creator or entrepreneur. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one.